Shri Rudra Mahdab Rai. No, you can continue.
Thank you, Chairman.
Right.
I am just thank you, Chairman, sir. I am just mentioning about the policy of the government in recruitment of IPS, a faulty method they have adopted. Sir, till
You
now,
can continue afterwards, no
as
problem.
per the Indian Police
you continue
Service
afterwards.
Recruitment Rules 1954, there are two methods for recruitment. To IPS,
Next.
that is 2/3.
That will be let you know. Afterwards, we will let you know. Right. No. Today, after 0 no. Tomorrow also not yet finalized. Date will be announced later. Next.
It will be announced.
Yes. Later, she can continue. She can continue afterwards. She can continue.
Till now,
Yeah.
as per the Indian Police Service Recruitment Rules
You can continue, no
1954,
problem.
there are two methods for recruitment to IPS. That
Now
is
we are taking
2/3
zero hour.
candidates
That is,
by competitive examination, which is from the open market, UPSC civil service examination, and 1/3 candidates by promotion from substantive members from the state police service. Now, the central government have framed new rules and added the third method of recruitment by limited competitive examinations. All the assistant commandants of central paramilitary forces, BSF, CRPF, SSB, CISF and ITBP, captain and major of equivalent rank from defense service, army, navy and air forces, and deputy DSP of state police services who have completed 5 years of service up to age of 35, 36 and 37 for reserved categories are eligible for this examination. This examination will be very soft and much below the standard of UPSC examination. Sir, in accordance with the Article 320 of the Constitution of India, the central government is bound to consult with the Union Public Service Commission in the matter of principles to be followed in making appointments to the Indian Police Service. And as such, action of central government is in this regard is illegal, unconstitutional and violative of Article 320 of the Constitution of India. Hence, I urge upon the government not to proceed further in execution of the new recruitment policy. Thank you, sir.
Srimati